Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will show you how to make a delicious hot fudge cake. First, let's gather our ingredients and equipment. You'll need standard baking items such as flour, sugar, and cocoa powder, along with eggs and milk. We'll also prepare a simple, decadent fudge sauce. Make sure your baking dish, about 9 by 13 inches, is ready for assembly. This preparation ensures a smooth baking process. Now let's create the cake batter. In one bowl, whisk together your dry ingredients: flour, sugar, cocoa powder, and baking powder. In a separate bowl, combine the wet ingredients such as eggs, milk, vegetable oil, and a touch of vanilla extract. Gradually add the wet mixture to the dry, stirring just until everything is moistened. Overmixing can lead to a tough cake, so be gentle. With your batter ready, it's time for assembly. Pour the cake batter into your prepared 9 by 13 inch baking dish, spreading it evenly. Next, spoon the rich hot fudge sauce directly over the batter. Resist the urge to stir it in. It will sink during baking. Place the dish into a preheated oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit and bake until a toothpick inserted into the cake portion comes out clean. Your hot fudge cake is ready. For the best experience, let it cool for about 15 minutes after baking, then serve it warm. It pairs wonderfully with a scoop of vanilla ice cream, allowing the warm fudge to melt into it, or a generous dollop of whipped cream. If you have any leftovers, store them in an airtight container at room temperature for up to 3 days. Enjoy your delicious creation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.